Here's the TEFAL Eco-Respect blender. Whether you want to experiment with smoothie making or love to cook up a storm, this blender has got you covered. There are two different speed settings, so you can adjust how finely you want your food blended. Plus, it has a pulse function, which is great for getting rid of all these chunks trying to infiltrate your silky smooth treat. It's 800 watts motor, it's powerful enough so you can even crush ice with it, which is perfect for a summer drink. Don't worry about the 1.75 liter jug, as it is thermo-resistant, so it can cope with both hot and cold ingredients. This is a great feature to have because it means you can experiment with a wider variety of recipes. You can use this blender knowing you're safe too, as it has a 3-in-1 smart lock, which is easy to use and keeps you secure. The blender itself has been made from 65% recycled plastics, and even the box is made up of 90% recycled fibers.